Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So, I did a makeup look, but I don't want to show you it yet. So you guys have to watch the video in order to see what this looks like. So let's get into it. We're just gonna start off with like a no foundation or concealer because I don't want that on my face right now. We're gonna do some bronzer, and I'm using the butter bronzer. And we're just gonna contour my face a little bit. I'm using the darker one because I'm pretty tan right now. Boom, okay. I look like really dark. So we're gonna blend it out a little bit. Brush, it's just a powder brush, blending that out. Okay, next, I'm gonna do some blush just to add a little color to my face so I'm not all brown. I'm using the Tarte Listen is the color. That's what it looks like. It's pretty detailed. I'm gonna use this brush. This color's like shimmery. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna do like a base color, and then I have this basket of colors, and so like this one, it's all green color. If I got this palette and colorful look, because there's very colorful palette. This one has like pinks, and this one just has like just some fun colors as well. So after we put on our like base color, we're gonna choose one of these palettes, and whichever palette we get, we're gonna have to use that for like our color, you know? So for my base color palette, I'm using the Dare to Create by Morphe. I'm gonna be starting off with this brown color and this one. So now I'm just mixing the two colors.
A few minutes later.
So now that we did the base, we're gonna do one of these colors. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick a color. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick it. Okay, I got the LA Girl Pro palette. So that means we're doing like a pink on the eyes. Let's start with that. I'm gonna take a flat brush here, and I'm gonna start with the light pink and see if it even does it. That didn't really work, so there's like this purple pink that I guess we can use. Okay, we're gonna use our finger and we're gonna use a shimmery pink.
A few minutes later.
Now, I'm gonna take this purple pink and we're gonna go over the brown. Okay, I got the Urban Decay setting spray. I'm just gonna spray the brush. Kind of worked. I just finished the eyes and they're looking good. Now I'm thinking, so I never do glitter, but I'm thinking this is a special occasion, so might as well do glitter. I found some Urban Decay heavy metal like okay, so there's your glitter. So now that I added the glitter, that's what it looks like. Now we have lipstick, and then I'll probably pop on some lashes. We have a very big variety. We've got colors from blue to purple, to red, to orange, to maroon, and to like a pink gloss. Got the maroon one. Yeah, not the worst pink, but definitely wouldn't have chosen it. Now Do we want it matte or do we want it glossy? We want it glossy, so I'm gonna grab a gloss and I will be back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to film. I thought it was gonna go way worse because I put like different weird colors in, but I got like really lucky. Like I could have gotten an orange lipstick or blue, but I got pink. So everything kind of matched and I got the glitter I wanted, so that was good. But hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video. But make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment below what videos you want to see next. Bye!